In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to start a workout from your Apple Watch. All you have to need press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, here you will find the workout app. Just open the workout app. And then under workout, you get a bunch of different workout category. You can just go ahead and pick a workout according to your needs. For example, I want to start a outdoor walk workout. So here I'm just selecting outdoor walk. And now swipe to the right side, and here you can pause the workout. You can end the workout from here, and you can again just go ahead and resume your workout. And here we can see the workout duration, we can see the active calorie, and here you can see your heart rate, and here you can get your average pace. And now I'm just stopping the workout. And now before starting a workout, let's see how to set goals for the specific workout. Just tap on this three dot next to the workout you want to start. And here, if you scroll down, here just tap on this edit icon to edit the workout. You can tap on send workout, delete workout, start workout, go back. Here we can see time or duration. To edit your workout time or duration, tap on this edit, and then you can just go ahead and adjust your workout time or duration from here. Tap on done, go back, and here you can also edit your distance. Just go ahead and edit your distance just like this. Let's select here 10 miles, tapping on done, go back, and you can also edit your calories. So just go ahead and customize your set your goals, and then just go ahead and start the specific workout on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.